I am a banana. I have no seeds. I am yellow outside, in white inside. I have thinking in. I am a banana. I have no seeds. I am yellow outside, in white inside.
થેન્ક યુ બોલ દેવાનું.
I am grapes. I am green and purple colored. I grow in bunch. I am juicy.
I am a mango. I am the national fruit of India. I am pulpy and juicy fruit, rich in vitamins and minerals. Thank you.
I am a chiku. My color is brown. I have many seeds. I am very sweet. People make milkshake from me. Thank you.
I am watermelon. I have many seeds. I am red inside and green outside. I am juicy. People like to eat me in summer. Thank you. I am an orange. My color and name both are same. I give you vitamin C. I am very juicy and tasty. Thank you.
I am cucumber. I am killer. People make salad for me. I am good for health. Thank you.
I am a potato. Grow under the ground. People make chips from me. Round and all shape. Thank you. I am tomato. I I I I am round and red. I have many seeds. People make soup and salad from me. I very healthy and tasty. Thank you. I am a carrot. I am a long and root vegetables. I contain vitamins and fiber. I am used salads, pickles and liver.
થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you.
I am a brinjal. I am a dark purple color. I am a king of vegetable. I am a growing small plant.